Number 1. International Scout, 1964 year of issue. 64 International Scout 4x4. Current title in my name. Bonded title but totally transferable, not running. Missing carburetor, radiator, gauges, etc. It has a lot of lower 1, 4, and rocker rust out, some rust on top of the box sides. Driver's door is broken off of its hinges. Needs restoration. $3,500. Number 2. Chevrolet Sedan delivery. 1948 year of issue. 1948 Chevrolet Sedan delivery. No title, no motor trans. Original chassis and suspension. It has lower patch panels put on it at one time. Older primer on it now. Needs some floor replacement, $4,000. Number 3. Honda Accord, 1977 year of issue. This is a well-kept 1977 Honda Accord CVCC 2-door hatchback in excellent running condition. Mileage is believed to be original, showing 92,263 miles TMU on a 5-digit odometer. Original yellow cloth and vinyl trim interior with seating for 4. Original AM/FM radio, manual door locks, manual mirrors, remote trunk release. Fold-down rear seat for more trunk storage space, intermittent windshield wipers, power steering, power brakes, and more. Equipped with a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder CVCC engine and 5-speed manual transmission. The Accord received an EPA fuel efficiency rating of 38 mpg city and 48 mpg highway. Number 4. Cadillac Sedan DeVille. (1958 year of issue, no title, bill of sale only, not running. I was going to rebuild it, but I no longer have the time. Has engine and transmission, complete front grille and bumper. Complete dashboard, has most of the chrome. It is a roller, sheet metal has rust, great project car. Number 5, Chevrolet CK20, 1976 year of issue. 1976 Chevrolet CK20 series, definitely a project truck. I bought it wanting to restore it. Brand new 350 crate engine with around 500 miles on it. Comes with a box of extra parts and a front left fender that is in good shape. Along with 2 doors that are in good shape and a parts door. Rust on the floorboard and by the doors. Number 6, Chevrolet Van, 1965 year of issue. This red standard sport van is complete with 35894 showing on the odometer. The van is running. It has the original straight-six engine with the 3-speed transmission. The van doesn't have any seats in the back, but it does have the brackets on the floor for seats. Chrome bumpers are there, and the passenger side step works like it should. This van is in good condition for its age. I found 2 small rust spots above the windshield on either corners and 1 spot near the passenger side rear rain gutter. Other than that, the body is in great condition. Number 7. Ford Custom, 1951 year of issue. (1951) Ford Custom 4-door Survivor. Flathead 8-cylinder 3-speed manual transmission. Solid car, frame and body in good condition. All glass and chrome, interior in decent shape, dash intact, no radio as seen in picture patch on driver side floor, 3-wheel trim rings included. Headers have been added, otherwise stock original car runs, shifts, drives and stops as it should. Number 7. Ford Custom, 1951 year of issue. 1951 Ford Custom 4-door Survivor. Flathead 8-cylinder 3-speed manual transmission. Solid car, frame and body in good condition. All glass and chrome, interior in decent shape, dash intact, no radio as seen in picture patch on driver side floor, 3-wheel trim rings included. Headers have been added, otherwise stock original car runs, shifts, drives and stops as it should.